In this video, I will show you how to share or copy your Quizlet flashcards. So to get started, go ahead and open Quizlet on your device. And then once you're on your homepage, go ahead and select the specific quiz that you want to share or copy. In here, go ahead and click on this share button between the save and the three dots button. So click on that, and that will allow you to generate a link for this specific quiz which you can share to whom you want to share this link to. So you can also immediately share it on your Facebook account and your X account. You can also share this link via email to a specific email address. Now if you want to copy your Quizlet flashcards, you'll need to close this pop-up first. So click on that X button at the top right of the pop-up to be able to close this pop-up. In here, make sure to click on the three dots beside the share button and then click on make a copy under that. And that's basically how you can share or copy your Quizlet flashcards.